Hey guys, Prof. Rassi here. Hang in there, we're almost done with the intro videos. I've taken several online courses through Canvas, and it always takes me a while to figure out where everything's at and what I need to look at and what I don't. So when I designed this course, I really focused on modules. So the key for you is to focus on these modules here. Stuff is going to show up in different places, under assignments, in the calendar, and whatever works for you is fine, but I'm just telling you how I designed it. If you look at modules, you'll see right now there's only one module in there for week 10. I'm still working on week 11 through 15. But this is all you need to worry about for week 10. You can take a quick glance at it here of what that entails. Um, I will start each week with an overview, and so this tells you what we're learning about. It also shows you all the stuff that's in there. So hopefully you've already seen the course expectations. That's how you got to this video. But then whenever you're in modules, down at the bottom, if you hit next, it will take you to the next module, or the next component in that module. Here's the videos you've been working through, and you're hopefully down to Canvas layout now. Hit next. This takes you to the next module. I'm just going to throw this in here so you see it, you know it's there when my office hours are. If you want to meet with me, you can just click here on Prof. Rassi's office between 1 and 2 p.m. on Monday to Friday, and that will open a Google Hangout. If it's Monday to Friday, 1 to 2, I'll be in there. You can just join the Hangout. If you don't want me to see you, you can just choose this button here with the microphone, and it'll just join with voice and not video. Okay, so that's the next thing that I have in the module. And then you just click through. You'll just see this week, due by Tuesday, 11:59 p.m., you need to complete the marble slides linear activity. You click there, it'll take you there. Hopefully it's pretty straightforward, so just keep in mind you're going through modules. You have to complete another marble slides parabolas. I emailed you about this I guess the last week of your spring break, the second week of your spring break. Then here you can see the lesson 5.2. It gives you objectives. Chapter 5 notes here. You won't need the chapter 6 notes now. But then it's got videos, so you can go through the videos, watch the videos. And then down here you'll see, after you watch Graph by Transformation 2, you've learned enough to complete homework problems 1 through 3. When you complete the application video, you can do homework problem 4, and the number E video, you can complete the rest of the homework assignments. Okay. Homework is in another video. I'll explain more thoroughly, but it's going to go through another tool. We're not going to use the textbook. That way it'll grade it automatically. Also gives you unlimited attempts at it. So make sure you're doing well on the homeworks. Group meetings, I'll talk about that more in another video, but those will be mandatory the first 2 in the first week, and then optional after that, but with a little extra credit. You can see 5.3 follows a similar format. Chapter 5 notes, videos, and you should be set then. After the videos, you could see the homework again. You'll click on this button. That'll take you towards the end of the week. Group meetings after those lessons. And I think the last one is the quiz. Right now, the quiz isn't available. There's no due date, no points, because I haven't put it in yet. But normally you would click take the quiz, and it would let you take the quiz. So typically, assignments will be due on Wednesday, Friday, and a quiz on Saturday. Or else assignments will be due Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and a quiz on Saturday. But just pay attention when you're in the modules. It will show you everything you need to know. When it's due, how many points it's worth, and so on. Let me know. Feel free to email me if you have questions. Thanks.